Hello learners, welcome to Cash Education. In this video, we'll see how to draw a progress infographic. So here you see there's a road and I'm showing 4 cars. Each of these cars can be indicative of any goals accomplished or maybe the goals and objectives of a startup that you are going to initiate. Maybe some obstacles that you encountered while reaching to progress. So such kind of things can be demonstrated using this infographic. Instead of 4, you can have even 5 or 6 points or cars here. Let's go ahead and see how to draw this. Take a fresh new slide. Under Insert, go to Shapes and choose the curve here. You can see the curve here very clearly. Okay. If you don't see it here, it is going to be in lines. Choose the curve. Double click to draw the curve. And then with a single click, leave it aside. Again a single click. And a turn. Again a single click and a turn. And a double click to complete it. So every single click is going to give you the curve. Now that I've got my curve and I'm happy with it, you don't have to be bothered about the shape that much. Right click, go to Format Shape. Give it some color. I'm going to choose this color or the one that is here. And I'm going to increase the width of the line. I'm going to keep it 60 so that it can easily represent the road. So now you can extend this. Duplicate this by pressing Ctrl D. And I'm going to decrease the width. So I've made it 5. And the width that I have, the other one, I'm going to shift it on the top. I'm trying to make or recreate the road that we saw. Duplicate this thin line and adjust it to the bottom. So now you see we have got our road. Don't worry about the alignment that much. The imperfection itself is okay. Again, duplicate this and now I'm going to change the dash type. So under dash type, choose the dash and change the color to white. Okay, now you can place this on the top. Now you see that our road is ready and it is complete. So what we are going to do is for now close this. Now our road is ready and you can group all the objects together. So the 2 sideways and the middle. I have grouped them together. Now I'll go ahead, begin placing my cars. Make sure that your cars are to the front of the road. So here is the first one. Then I have my second one right here. Again bringing to the front. I'm going to keep it here. Okay. The third car I'm going to place here. Again bringing it to the front. You can rotate it to align it with the road. You will obviously have to rotate it. And the last one is here. So now this is more or less complete. Now I'm going to fill up my dialog boxes. Go to Insert, under Shapes, go to Callouts. In the Callouts, you can choose this oval callout option. Draw the oval callout without holding the Shift key. If you hold the Shift key, it will become elliptical. So leave the Shift key for now. Just draw a regular circle which you think possibly is a circle, which is fine. Remove the shape outline for now and adjust it to the first car. Okay. Right click, go to Format Shape. I'm going to give it different color. So it's a yellow color car, so I'm going to choose the yellow color. And for the outline, I'm going to choose the same yellow color. I'm also going to increase the width, say by 8. Okay. Now I'm going to go to Shape Effects, choose the shadow and choose the inner shadow, this one. I'm going to increase the blur and now you see I have got that effect, the 3D look that I wanted. So one shape is ready. I just have to copy them all for the cars. So what is the thing that I do? I press Ctrl D and now I have got it. So I'll place the second one here. Okay, pointing towards the correct car. This way. I'll duplicate this one again. Rotate it so that it is pointed towards my blue car. And again do the same so that it is pointed towards my green car. So now you see that you have got your figures adjusted. You can decrease the size if you want. You can adjust it here also. I'm going to place it here. Looks beautiful that way. Then you can increase the size a little. And so I'm happy with this. All I'm going to do now is change their colors. So for the blue car, I'm going to click the shape, go to Format Shape. I'm going to choose the blue color. And for the outline also the same blue color. For the red car, I'm going to choose the orange red color. And the outline is also going to be same. For the green car, I'm going to do the same. Give it a green outline from the color pane that I have here. And give it the green color as well. So now you see I have got my basic infographic. I'll just put my fonts and information. I have them ready. So I'm going to select them, copy them. And I'm going to paste it here. So I have pasted this one here. Again duplicate it and I'm going to place it here. This is the last one that I am doing. And now you see we have completed it. So this is how we can draw it. I'll just put the title. I have used it as driving forward. You can use it anything like you want. Moving ahead, marching ahead, etc. And now you see that your slide is ready. So it's a very simple way of making a very fancy and very creative infographic. These cars that I've downloaded are available for free on Google. You just have to type car PNG vector image and you will get it. Okay, so give this infographic a try. Let me know this in the comment section how it went. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, keep following. See you again. Thank you.